Now, the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, launch the game again and then check. Still not working? Try DX11 when you launch the game. Over here, you can select this DX11 one and then launch the game and then check. Still not working? Try DX11 or DX12 in the launch option. So go to Steam, make a right click in the game, select properties. In the launch option, you can type in dash DX11. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. You can even try dash DX12, launch the game and then check. Still not working. You can remove this and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to select English language and region format to English. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to time and language, and then go to language and region over here. And over here you can select English over here, English United States. So you can, if you don't have it, you can add a language and you can scroll up and keep English language at the top. And over here you can see regional format. You can set it to English United States. So scroll down. Over here you can select English United States over here, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working? The next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you're using Windows security, open Windows settings, go to privacy and security, Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see manage ransomware protection. Click on it. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browser apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever the game is installed and then open the game folder. So this is the location in my case. Open the game folder and then over here you can select this exe file. Click on open. Again, add an allowed app, browser apps. Add all the exe file, including this one, patcher, updater, client, everything. Updater also, and then client also. Now type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings at the top, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then go to the game installation folder once again, open the game folder, select all the exe file. In my case, it is already added. Again, allow another app, click on browse, select the patcher also, allow another app once again, updater also, client also, add. Once it is added, now you can relaunch the game. Similarly, if you have any third-party antivirus, like if you have Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, Comodo, whichever antivirus program you have, allow all the exe file to your antivirus program. Please ignore this. Now, the next step is to verify the game files. Now, for this, you can make a right click in the game, select properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrative game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game. Still not working? The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have AMD card, go to AMD website. If you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website, and then select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. Now on this page, you will see the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest, you can click on view over here and then click on download. And once the download is complete, you run this exe file and then click on yes to allow. Click on OK and then agree and continue. Select custom option over here. Click on next. Put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Then click on next. After clean installation is done, restart your computer. After the system restart, launch the game. Still not working? Run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box. Click on graphics settings over here. Click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder and then open the game folder and then select the game exe file over here. Select this one and then click on add. Once the game is added, find the game in the list. Now once you find the game, click on the game over here and then select high performance over here. You will see your graphic card. Now you can launch the game. Desktop users, make sure that you connect your HDMI or display cable to the dedicated graphic card slot, not the motherboard slot, and then check. Next step is to try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to hardware and sound, and then go to power options. Now over here, in my case, I have only balanced, but in your case, if you see power saver like this, you can select power saver over here and then relaunch the game and then check. You can even try balanced or high performance, but first of all, try power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio file. Download this x86 and x64. Download both the files. So click on it, run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Run this exe file. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both are installed. Once installed, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can launch the game. Still not working, disable onboard graphics. Now make a right in the start menu, go to device manager. If your computer has a dual graphic card, like in my case, expand display adapter, here you can see Intel. This is my integrated graphic card. Make a right click, disable device, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Once you are done playing the game, or you face any problem, you can make a right click, enable the device once again. Next step is to roll back graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, after you select your graphic card and your operating system, on this page, scroll down and then click on view more version. And you can try maybe the older driver. You can try the GeForce Game Ready driver. You can try the older version. But when you go for installation, put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation and then click on next and then restart your computer. And then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to disable or enable the Steam overlay. Now for this, you can go to Steam, make a right in the game, select properties, turn off the option which says enable the Steam overlay while in game. If this is already off, you can turn it on and then relaunch the game. Close other overlay application, like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay and then close Discord. If you have NVIDIA app running, you can launch NVIDIA app and then you can go to NVIDIA app settings over here and turn off this NVIDIA overlay. You can turn this off and close NVIDIA app. Close all the overlay application. Do not overclock. Set it to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI, Afterburner, ReverTuner, or any kind of overclocking application running, close it. Close all third-party application. If you have any third-party application or services running, close everything. Lower down monitor refresh rate. So for example, if your monitor refresh rate is 240 Hz, you can try 120 Hz or maybe 60 Hz and then check. Try launching the game on single monitor, disconnect multiple monitor and then check. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update in Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, launch the game. Still not working, install DirectX. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website, click on download and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, accept, next, uncheck install Bing bar, next, and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, then again restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. Whichever brand you have, go to their website, select your model number. Make sure that you select your model number, go to drivers page, and then download the BIOS, install the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings over here. And then under Advanced, click on Settings, the first setting, and then click on Advanced tab and then click on Change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select custom size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes. So you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back the settings. So do not worry about it. So in my case, it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024. That is total RAM in megabyte.
For initial size, it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5, that is 24576. For maximum size, it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024. In my case, 16384 megabyte, then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size, it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important. Make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in view advanced system settings again and then click on view advanced system settings. Go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change and then select system manage size this time and then click on set. Set is important. Click on OK. Click on OK over here. Hit apply. Click on OK. OK. You will see restart option. Restart your computer and then check. Still not working. We will revert to default. So you can type in view advanced system settings once again. Settings, advanced, change, and put a check on this box and then hit apply. Click on OK. Follow the next step.
Now still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices. Like if you have OTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected to the computer, USB flash drive, thumb drive, any kind of dongle connected, disconnect the dongle, disconnect extra controller connected to the computer, disconnect external keyboard and mouse like Keychron keyboard, Razer Huntsman keyboard. So if you have any external keyboard or mouse connected which you're not using, disconnect it. If you have undervolted the computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. So for many user, uninstalling the game and then reinstalling the game has worked. So you can simply uninstall and reinstall. If that does not work, then uninstall the game and then once you uninstall the game, go to the game installation folder and then delete the game folder, restart your PC, reinstall the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to D drive or E drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game is already installed to C drive, try installing the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.